welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I make for a 12-hour shift as a nurse. I asked you guys what kind of video you'd like to see next and you voted for this one. So if you want to see what I eat in a 12-hour day, please keep watching. So the first thing I do is take a mason jar and I'm going to make some overnight oats. So I put about a quarter cup of steel cut oats. I use these ones from Quaker. And then I add some fruit. This time I'm using frozen raspberries. And I just add some almond milk until everything is covered. And then I add a pinch of cinnamon and a couple drops of almond extract. I just cover this, give it a good shake, and then put it in the fridge for the next morning. The next thing I'm going to do is make some quinoa tofu chili. So first I'll just cook up some red and white quinoa. I use about a quarter cup of quinoa and a half a cup of water. Next, I will chop one onion, one stalk of celery, and a few mushrooms. And with the magic of YouTube, it's done. Next, I'll take half a block of firm tofu, and I'm just going to press it between some paper towel and squish it down to get out all of the extra moisture. Next, I will put in a blender a half of a fresh tomato, one chipotle pepper, I like this brand, and a half a can of crushed tomatoes. Next, I'll just add some olive oil in a frying pan, and I'll add my onions, celery, and mushrooms. Once those are starting to brown, I'll add some garlic, and then I crumble the block of tofu that I pressed earlier. Then I add some chili powder, some cumin, some oregano, and a dash of cinnamon. Next, once the quinoa is done cooking, I add the tofu and veggies back into that same pot. And then I add in my tomato mixture, last I add a half a can of red kidney beans, and about a quarter cup of water. Then I cover this and let it simmer for about half an hour. So now I'm ready to pack everything up for the next morning. So I take out the overnight oats from the day before, and I add some coconut yogurt on top. Once the chili's done, I pack some of that up as well, and I just put some green onions on top of it. I like to serve my chili with either nacho chips, or this time I'm going to bring some Mary's crackers. So the next thing I like to do is pack a little box with some sweets. I'm going to add these protein balls, some dark chocolate, and some nuts. I find that this helps me avoid eating all of the other bad treats that are always at the nurse's station. Next, I like to pack up some fresh fruit, so this time I have an apple. I also love to bring a Cliff Bar for later in the afternoon, and of course my coffee Keurig. This one is coconut mocha. And lastly, I add in my overnight oats and some fresh snap peas. And that is everything that I bring for my 12-hour shift. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe below.